Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video we are going to study the image formation by concave mirror. So yesterday we discussed the rules for obtaining the ray diagrams by spherical mirrors, and today's class we are discussing this image formation. So first we will take the case of concave mirror. We know that concave mirror, it is polished along the bulged part is polished, outer surface, outer side, and inner side reflects the light. This is the concave mirror. This is it is focus center of curvature. This is focus. Here it is pole. This is the principal axis, x-axis dash. We also know that object is taken along the left hand side of the mirror. So object is along the same side of the mirror, in which the center of curvature and the focus of the mirror lies. So there are many cases in which the images can be formed. That what type of image is formed by this mirror, that depends upon the position of this object in front of the mirror. So in first case we will take the object at infinity. In second case it is placed beyond center of curvature. In third case it is taken at center of curvature. In fourth case object is placed between C and F. In fifth case object is positioned at F, and in sixth case object is positioned between pole and focus of the mirror. So there are 6 cases which are formed in which image is formed. Different type images formed. 6 types. There are 6 types in case of concave mirror. So let's take the case first. We will start from the infinity. Suppose this is the infinity. Case first is when the object is at infinity. When the object is placed at infinity. Infinity means object is is at a large distance. It is at a very large distance from a concave mirror. So let's make this the diagram. This is the concave mirror. Its outer bulged surface is polished. This is the principal axis. So obviously this is the pole of the mirror. Okay. So an object here in first case we will take the object at infinity. So since the object infinity, it is not such an object cannot be shown in the diagram. When the object is infinity, it cannot be shown in the diagram. What we show only the rays. We will like this. We will be taking like this rays, 2 rays, which are parallel to the incident, which are parallel to each other. Okay. These rays start from the top of this object. This is the A, top of the object. This is the B, bottom of the object. Since it is not shown, the rays are parallel to each other. These rays are coming from the infinity. So this ray strikes the mirror towards at the pole. It is reflected in accordance with the laws of reflection like this, and this is also it falls on the mirror, concave mirror. Its property, the property of concave mirror is converges the rays. So these reflected rays actually meet at point. That point will be the mirror image of this A. So A dash, here we draw the perpendicular like this. Perpendicular, this will be the nature of the image. A dash, B dash, A dash, B dash. So here real intersection of reflected rays takes place. So obviously this is a real image. Real image is always inverted, so it is inverted. What is the position of the image? It will be formed at focus. This is the focus. B dash is at F, focus. ठीक. व्हाट इज साइज ऑफ द इमेज, इट इज़ हाईली डिमिनिश्ड. सो इस जब अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट लेंगे इन्फिनिटी पर ऑब्जेक्ट लेंगे, मगर वो ऑब्जेक्ट जो है उसका जो वो होगा राउंडेड होगा, राउंडेड नहीं, राउंडेड इफ इट इज़ राउंडेड लाइक सफियर, हाँ, सन लाइक सन. सो इस केस में हम लेंगे parallel rays parallel to each other and parallel to the principal axis like this. Here object is at infinity, it is not shown in the diagram. So these are the parallel rays which are coming from that object. These are the parallel rays which are parallel to principal axis like this. So it will the concave mirror will converge this ray like this. These reflected rays will meet at F. So what is the size of the image? It is point size. So here you should remember when the object is placed at infinity, image is formed, size of the image is highly diminished, that is point sized. So when the object is placed at infinity, image is formed at focus, its nature is real and inverted, and size is highly diminished and point sized. A dash B dash is the image, AB is the object. Okay, this is the case first, and case second is when the object is placed beyond center of curvature. Object is placed beyond center of curvature. This is the center of curvature, this is the concave mirror, principal axis, pole, यहाँ हम लेंगे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, दिस इज द फोकस, यहाँ हम लेंगे बियॉन्ड सेंटर कर्वेचर, ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड सेंटर कर्वेचर. रूल के हिसाब से हम लेंगे इंसिडेंट रेज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट पासेस थ्रू द फोकस ऑफ द मिरर लाइक दिस. दूसरा लेंगे इट पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर like this. It retraces its path on reflection, so these reflected rays meet at point like this point. At this point they are real interest. This is the B A, so it will be the A dash where these reflected rays actually intersect, draw perpendicular. A dash B dash, we draw perpendicular at principal axis starting from A. From A we draw a perpendicular on principal axis, that is A dash B dash. A dash B dash is the image. It is real and inverted. It is diminished in size. It is formed between at C and F. So what is the nature of the image? In case the object is placed beyond center of curvature, it is real and inverted. What is its size? Its size? It is smaller in size than the object. What is the position? It is formed between center of curvature and pole of the mirror. So when the object is placed beyond center of curvature, image is formed between C and F. It is really inverted and is smaller in size than the object. These are the two cases. So rest cases we will discuss in another class. Thanks.